If you're experiencing issues with PUBG multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify common issues and provide solutions. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the PUBG application completely and restart it. This can help refresh the game's connection to the servers and resolve minor glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Game Launcher Steam or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for and replace any corrupted or missing files that may be causing multiplayer issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 5. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in the game launcher and install any available patches. Keeping the game updated can fix bugs and improve multiplayer connectivity. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.